We know chemistry is a wide science. It's involved in almost every aspect of our daily life. And so, today we're going to be talking about it, its involvement in other sciences and its contribution to different matters. We would also like to add that this is just a taste of what chemistry has done for us, and we encourage you to investigate more if you wish to.
Chemistry is often called the how and why part of science. Biology can tell us a lot about what is involved in biological systems, but when we look at the human body in terms of wanting to cure a disease, we need to understand how the body works normally so we can see what may have gone wrong and why, and how we might be able to fix it. Chemistry is involved in modeling chemical systems in the body to increase our understanding of how we work. It also plays a huge role in the development of synthetic drugs such as antibiotics and analgesics. New research is being done on possible ways chemistry can be used to target cancer cells without killing the healthy cells around the cancer growths.
Applications of chemistry in food. The study of chemistry in food is quite similar to biochemistry in the way that its main components are carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. The difference of these two branches of chemical science is that food chemistry also studies flavors, vitamins, minerals, food additives, and other qualities of food. But most importantly, the processes that food has, such as pasteurization, or even how to prevent that fruits turn brown. We learn to recognize these processes and study to see the cause, then study how to either prevent it, or perhaps boost that reaction.
Chemistry in warfare. As chemistry can be used for help curing diseases, improve food, and find multiple solutions to global warming, it can also be used for negative purposes. A chemical warfare is defined as a warfare in which chemical other than explosive are as weapons. We usually associate chemical warfare with World War I and World War II, but it's older than that we think. The first chemical attack was made by the Sasanians to the Romans around AD 256, in which they made a gas using chemical residues and sulfur crystals. The result was a cloud of sulfur dioxide that could kill the Romans in seconds. Another example is the well-known the first chlorine gas attack made by the German soldiers in World War I in 1915.
Hi, my name is Emilio Macias Wells, and I'm going to talk about global warming. The term global warming refers to an increase in Earth's mean global temperature because of a part of Earth's outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases in the atmosphere whose concentration had been increasing because of human industrial, commercial, and agricultural activities by the time. These gases have the ability to absorb radiation, leading to the tendency of the atmosphere to create warmer climates that would be otherwise the case. The most important naturally occurring trace gases that have the ability to absorb infrared radiation are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone.
Mexico has been in a constant change since the Industrial Revolution that came with the Porfirian rule. Every year, several factories open in the country, and we believe that the need for the country to industrialize and to become better economically has led to overuse of the natural resources of the country. We propose a solution to this problem: regulate the lands that we use for factories and make better ecological laws concerning the damage the factories deal to the ecosystems. We also believe that too many people are traveling by car, and one reason for this to happen is that public transportation in the city is not good in any way. We suggest the creation of more routes, with better buses in every city of the country. Another problem Mexico faces, in the aspect of global warming, is the approach we give to the topic. We don't face the problem with the seriousness it needs. We want people to acknowledge the problem and do whatever you can to make the situation better. Every little action you do helps, and with a lot of people doing little actions, big things can happen.
Chemistry is an important science that doesn't stay just in the periodic table. It is everywhere. It describes in a very complex but understandable way the phenomena in our reality. Without chemistry, there would probably still be many doubts about how everything works, and we wouldn't have all these advancements that we take advantage of.